back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you how to prepare the red salsa for your homemade chilaquiles. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Red salsa for your chilaquiles. Let's go with the ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, Japanese chilies. And you know that those are not spicy at all, but it's going to give this salsa an amazing flavor. We're going to use California chili pods. Of course, water. Let's make and prepare this amazing and delicious red salsa. So let's get started. To make this amazing red salsa, these are the ingredients. You need to really remove all the seeds and the vein of the California chili pod. Let me tell you, this salsa is not spicy at all, but it has such an amazing flavor. The combination of the California chili pods and the Japanese chilies really give this salsa an amazing flavor. Yes, it's gonna be nice and thick and delicious, but let me tell you, when you make this salsa, it's not going to be spicy at all. It's gonna have a little kick, and it's going to have such an amazing flavor. Well, here, like I said, I am removing all the seeds, making sure that I remove all of them. We're still going to rinse them through running water. We really want to make sure that we rinse them very well, even though we remove the seeds and remove the vein. Look at this. Some of the chili pods have a lot of seeds and some don't. But here I am ready to take them to the sink, rinse them very good, and remove the dirt or even the seeds that are left behind. Once this is done, I'm going to put them on the bottom of my pan, making sure that they get really hydrated. And right on top of the California chili pods, I'm adding 1/2 cup of the Japanese chilies. In Spanish, chiles japoneses. And this chili is not spicy at all. I have my tomatoes here, and I am going to remove very carefully the core of the tomato. This core usually is very rough, and it takes a long time for it to soften. So here I'm just going to remove it. I'm not going to slice. I'm just going to remove the core, the core from the tomatoes. And now I am ready to add 1/4 of a piece of onion and some water. Look at this. Of course, enough water to cover the tomatoes. We're going to take it to the stove. We're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. It really doesn't take too long for your tomatoes to get nice and soft and nice and wrinkly. And that's exactly how you want them. So here I am going to take them to the stove, medium heat. And they're going to take about 5 minutes before you start seeing the tomato getting nice and soft, nice and mushy. And that's exactly how you want it. And here, as you could see, the water is getting nice and hot. A couple minutes later, maybe 1 or 2, you're going to start seeing that it's going to start boiling. And you still keep them here until you see them nice and mushy. And how do you know? Because you'll see them getting some kind of wrinkles right on top of the skin. And once you see that, you're ready to just turn off the stove. Leave them there for just a couple minutes so it's not too hot. While that's resting, we're preparing our garlic cloves. I have 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up. I'm going to remove the skin. And of course, I didn't cook the garlic. I want the garlic to go raw into the blender. And now I am ready to start adding all the tomatoes, all the chilies into my blender cup. Look at this. This salsa is perfect for your chilaquiles, especially if you're having breakfast and you want to enjoy Mexican red chilaquiles. This is the sauce number one to use. Very easy. It's not going to be spicy. This is not a a spicy sauce. This is not a spicy salsa. This is going to be just amazing. Of course, that liquid that you see there, we are going to add it into the blender cup. I am going to add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, the 2 garlic cloves, and I'm going to add enough water to just cover the tomatoes. You don't want the salsa to be really loose. You want the salsa to have a character, to be nice and thick and delicious, and cover your crispy totopos. Well, here I am ready to blend, and we are going to blend really good for a couple minutes. We're going to start slow, and then we're going to start increasing how fast it's going to go, because remember, the tomatoes and the liquid was still nice and hot, and you don't want to make a mess in your kitchen. So start slow and then mix very well until everything is really incorporated and nice and smooth. Once this is done, like I said, it's going to take a couple minutes. I have a plate here. I have a spoon, and I am ready to pour this amazing and delicious sauce. This salsa is so perfect for your chilaquiles. Make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family. Look at this. Look how chunky it is. And of course, the flavor and the aroma, just amazing. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. I am completely done with this amazing red salsa for your chilaquiles. It's not spicy at all, but it has such an amazing flavor. Well, you know that this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The flavor, amazing. The texture, nice and thick. Just perfection, made at home. If you like and love this amazing red salsa for your chilaquiles, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. See you soon. Bye-bye.